making a yarn knit headband, and this is how it looks. And then you'll need this, a needle, and scissors. And then, so you have this. So you need a knot in this, and then you put it down, then you pull this. Okay, so then here, you're gonna go here. You keep on going around, and the second one you're gonna do it again. Okay, so when you're done, you are going to make sure, so maybe you're gonna just, if they're too high, you're gonna just pull it down. Here. Okay, so I did all of mine. Then I'm gonna take this and then you're gonna, okay, so you did it. And then you're gonna do it again, around. Oops, okay. I had to do that because there was just a purple one, and so now we have to do all here. Okay, so we did that. And then maybe you could let this down like this. And then you, oops. Okay, that might not work now. And you're gonna take this tool, and then you're gonna take it, pull it over there. It's going to make this is going to make it tighter. You might be able to use your finger to push it down so it can go. It might be like close together, so just push purple and blue down, but not all of them down. Just the purple and blue on the bottom. You can, if you use a different color, that's fine, and if you use one, that's fine too. Sometimes it gets like really big, so it's gonna get easier. Let's see. Mine have lines, so this can go up. That's how it makes mine easier to do it. I'm almost done. One last one I have to do. Sometimes it's a little hard. Okay, so there. I have to take my yarn, and then I'm gonna pull mine down again. Okay, sometimes the string might go over it, so that can like get a little mixed up. Over. Okay, so you're gonna wrap it around again. And we had the purple there. times it'll do that, more and more times if you keep on the